Clouds compared to last week. We had just that intense sun beating down on us, warming us up to 99, 98 degrees or so for some of those afternoons. Now the clouds helping out. It's only 88. Now it is feeling like 98 when you factor in our humidity, but again, upper 80s, not so bad considering that heat wave, that big stretch of near record and tying many days record heat last week. Radar is now showing a little bit of shower activity in the in Lake Pontchartrain and a little bit in the northern Gulf off of the coast of Plaquemines Parish. And it's kind of small and it's spotty right now, but we're expecting a little increase as we head through the next couple of hours. And overall, we have the rain chance today near about 50 to 60%. Now temperatures, again, not too bad, mainly in the 80s. We'll say highs today near 90 and a pretty decent chance for that scattered rain. As we move into today and then into tonight and this evening, temperatures will be in the 80s and our rain chance again fluctuating around 50 or 60%. Now here's our model showing by 2 p.m. a little increase in some showers and storms, and then by 4 p.m. it might become a little bit more widespread coverage north or south of the lake. 6 p.m. still with some rain in the area, and really it just looks kind of similar to the past couple of days where we've had some downpours, kind of hit or miss. Not raining all day long, and that will be the case as we head into the next couple of days. Now this is tomorrow and your Thursday morning, starting off maybe with a few showers in the area, and then fast forward through the day. This is by afternoon. Here we go with the scattered showers and a few heavy downpours possible. That will be a concern, but we have really been watching out for that so far this week. Have not really seen a whole lot of the flooding kind of downpours yet, but we will have that risk, at least a low end risk, the next couple of days, just with so much moisture in our atmosphere. And part of that is because we have some low pressure just off of our coast. We've also had a little stationary front plus the atmospheric moisture, so that's why our rain chances are higher. We're still tracking all these three areas that we've really been watching since the weekend, but none of these are actually developed systems or named storms. They're all areas that either probably will or might become a developed system. But even these, the one in the Gulf and the one farther out, have kind of lower chances of actually organizing into a depression, storm, or hurricane. So this is the one in the Gulf. This one has a medium chance of development, meaning it's certainly some low pressure, and our models are taking it out, as I've been showing you, over into southeast Texas. But will it actually get all the necessary criteria to become a depression or storm? Kind of uncertain right now. Certainly some low pressure, certainly a rainmaker, especially for the Texas coast. In fact, looking at our rainfall forecast for the next 7 days, you can see where it's highest is pretty much in the vicinity of where that system is right now and where it will be moving. Other spots along the Gulf Coast, we're looking for about 1 to 3 or so inches of rain. So it only has maybe another day, maybe another 36 or so hours before it moves inland. So we'll track it, but right now it has not developed. Now our next system, the potential tropical cyclone, remember, is not a developed system yet, but it might soon become Bonnie. For now, though, it's moving pretty fast along the coast of Venezuela, still interacting with land at this point, but we will see. It could even be later today that it gets named a tropical storm. It would get the name Bonnie, and then it's heading off into Nicaragua. We're still expecting that. Now, looking at why it's not developed yet, it has not developed that closed circulation. When it's just a wave or a disturbance, the isobars here, the lines of equal pressure, are open. This is what we mean by closed, and the greater the pressure is around that center, or that's really where you start to see it get stronger and stronger, or where those isobars are more tightly located. We have one other spot, and just to show you the rotation with this one, heading into the Caribbean Sea, but it looks like by the weekend and beyond, it may face some obstacles and might not actually have a chance to stick together if it has developed by then, which we're not sure yet. Something to just keep an eye on. Not a threat to our area right now. Our 7-day forecast shows the rain chances continuing into the weekend, and we'll drop it to about 40% chances of rain for Sunday and the 4th of July.
In the U.S. right now, more than half